Today we're going to make dried kale chips, recipe number 990393. First thing you're going to do is take 3 quarts of clean and trimmed kale. It came in clean and trimmed already, so all you would have to do is measure out your 3 quarts. The next you would do is take your 2 tablespoons of oil and drizzle it onto your kale. Next thing you would do is just take your hands, your gloved hands, and mix it up in the bowl to make sure the oil is distributed thoroughly on the leaves. Next thing you would do is take Italian herb seasoning and you would mix it up again. Toss your leaves up to coat your leaves evenly. Next thing you do is you take 2 untreated, lined and unlined sheet pans and lay them out on your tray. It doesn't have to be in order, just so the leaves are not touching and laid on top of each other. Because if you have them stacked on top of each other, they will not dry out completely and you'll have mushy leaves. Do this. Lay them out evenly. There you go. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to your preheated oven to 225. Put them in your oven and set your timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what they'll look like. They're crispy. You might not think they're crispy enough, but they will, because they'll crisp even more as they sit on the trays. After that, put them in your dish. And there you have is your dried kale chips.